So the topper came from the 99-cent store, super cute, and so I had a different one up there, but it didn't match with my theme, so I put that one up there. And then all these ornaments, most of these ornaments, like I said, came from the Dollar Tree. My Merry Christmas signs, there's 3 different ones, and those come from the Dollar Tree. I won't go through every single thing, but most of the things came from Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. So I just thought the mittens were super cute.
Now, is that how they came, or did you?
No, that's how they came.
Okay.
And I watched somebody put together the tree with the ribbon. And if you remember, well, you know, Mom, they don't know. I found a bunch of rolls of ribbon at the thrift store, and they were $2.99. And I put all that ribbon on this tree, and I still had leftover of 1 roll. So it's a lot of ribbon. So I'm glad I picked them up when I did. The plan was to decorate more, so I have plenty for next year. So, but aren't those candy canes cute?
They're super cute.
Just love them. And then that little snowman sign came from the Dollar Tree. And that little, what is it called? Sleigh?
Yeah.
I got that from the thrift store. I think it was $3.99 or $4.99. I was going to redo it because it's kind of banged up, but I was like, it looks good for now. And I'll redo it for next year. Yeah. So, and then that little holly sign, the little with the beads, that came from the 99-cent store. So I love that because it's, you know, you can make them, but you can get it for 99 cents. Might as well just do that.
You know, sometimes just buying them already finished, if you can get them reasonable enough, they're cheaper than trying to make them. Yeah. If you bought all that separate and then did it, it would have been more than $1.
Yeah,
it really
so if you can see, I noticed one of my bows fell, but these little tiny bows here, I just got a big package of them. And so I just put them on there, just kind of laid them in there. So nice. Just to kind of fill in the spot. And I got those little bows from, I think, Amazon, but there's like 100 of them.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah, so 50 black and white, and then 50 red and black. So.
And these are really cute ornaments too.
Yeah, for Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
But I had, when they first came out, I just grabbed as many of these type ones.
Yeah.
As I could.
Yeah, if you see something you like, you better grab it because you won't see it when you come next time.
Yeah. And then I had a little hat down there. That's what I had on back in there, the elf hat. Oh, okay. I had it on the top of the tree initially, but like I said, it didn't go with the theme. Yeah. And then if you saw, I put the little legs from the elf.
Over here?
Yeah, see it right here underneath the elf box.
Oh, cute.
See, there's one of my bows on the floor.
Oh, okay. Oh, well, it happens.
So,
yeah, looks super cute.
And then I incorporated my wine holder just so I can have another little shelf. And there's another little Merry Christmas sign or beaded.
Is that for $1 too?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I couldn't believe you got them for $1. They're really good quality.
Really. And then those peppermint trees are from Anna Lee. Super cute. And then those picks are from the Dollar Tree. I didn't do anything to them. I just stuck them in there. So you know me, I don't do any floral arranging. I just stick them in there. And then I found those pipe cleaners. So I just around a pencil, I just made a little twisty and put them in there. And then my red truck sign, that one came from Dollar General. And I didn't like to see the back of the sign, so we put wrapping paper on the back so when it showed up in the mirror.
Oh, I didn't even notice.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get there. There we see now. I see in the back of the mirror.
So then coming over to the buffet.
Okay, let's get this other corner, then we'll go down the center of the buffet.
Where are we going?
We're going over here, and we'll go do this other end. Oops, I got my own self in there. Okay.
So there's the Mackenzie Child's lamp.
Now we have you in there.
Oh, well, I don't want to be in there. My hair is a mess. So that's Mackenzie Child's lamp.
Over to the other side of the buffet, as you can see.
So we have the Mackenzie Child's lamp, which goes with basically everything I have, so which is good. And then that buffalo check tree, that came from Annalie, and I love it. She decorated that. And it came with, you know, the purple lights, which, purple blue, I guess, so really pretty. And then look at the vase that it came in. That is so pretty.
Oh, it's beautiful.
And then your little buffalo check trees that I kind of transformed. I put some little bows and little thing on the top. And
Well, don't forget our cute little marshmallow man too.
yeah.
That was so cute.
He's
Does
so
this chocolate make me look fat?
Yeah. And this tablecloth actually came from my place at the river, because you know how I have it all decorated as cabiny look. And I thought, oh, this would go good with the buffalo check theme, so I brought that home with me for my last trip.
It looks really nice.
And then I got these cute little houses from the 99-cent store, and I wanted to prop them up, so I just used the little dishes I had, turned them upside down, and they look kind of cute.
They look very cute, and they're just the right height to give a little bit of height, but not too much.
Yeah,
height.
because I didn't want them laying flat on the table.
And they work out really well with the trees and centered really nice too.
Yeah, and then that tree in the middle, the Happy Holiday, Silver Bells, Let It Snow, that one came from the 99-cent store. And then the snow globe up top,
Let me get a little closer to that.
that
That's so
came
beautiful.
from Annalie. And I don't remember how much it was, but I don't think it was that much. And because she always gives me really good deals, and I just love that.
I know. If I'd seen it first, I would have stolen it.
And then I have my candle holder, which is out all the time, and I just change it up for whatever the season is. So I just wrap some little bells around it. And then my little cloche, a Happy Holidays cloche I got from, where is that from?
Hobby Lobby?
No, the other place. Oh,
Ross?
Kohl's.
Oh, Kohl's.
Gee. And those little cookies I made, I had a little design template, so I tried it. One was successful, the other one was kind of messy, but that's okay. And the colors kind of go with the little flower on the snowman's head, so I thought that was cute. I wish I would have made, maybe a couple more, but I only made 2.
Well, there's always next year.
Next year. So.
And then next year you can show people how to make them.
Yeah. And then the last little tree, I don't know if we showed that already.
So this one over here?
Yeah, the little one up here.
Well, this is your other little tree, huh?
Yes. And that one also came from Annalie. And that's it on this side.
Oh, looks like Debbie's been doing a little redecorating here.
Made some couple changes. I wonder if you would notice what those changes are.
And there's several of them. Keep looking, keep looking. What items have we changed and what have we done differently? See anything different here also? Come on now, get your thinking caps on. There are some few things different. Leave us in the comment what you noticed that looked a little different on this updated display.
Yes. And whoever can guess it first, we're going to give you a congratulations.
And what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 things. Well, we have 2 new things and 2 different things. Is that right? Or did I do it
We
right?
have 2 new things and 2 things that are now look different than before.
Updated.
Yes.
Updated, yeah. Come on now. Get those thinking caps on. Okay, don't forget, leave us a comment and let us know. Then we can announce who the winner of this is going to be. Look carefully.